Hello everyone, I'm Oksana Kurylo, UX designer at JetSoftPro, a software development firm. Today let's dive into creating effective landing pages to capture the attention of early adopters and potential users. Here are 6 tips to enhance the UX of your landing page for an early stage startup. Firstly, prioritize visibility and clarity. Take a cue from Samsung's Galaxy Book 2 Pro Series pre-order page, where important details are outlined with varying font sizes, ensuring key information is noticeable at first glance. Remember, you have just a few seconds to grab and maintain users' attention. Next, keep your design simple and easy to navigate. The Go blog page serves an excellent example, with a clean layout and a concise one-line value proposition. A simple form directly on the page with only one field is effective, especially for sign-ups. Emphasize the power of high-quality visuals. Barnes & Noble's fairy tale pre-order page showcases a new book with beautiful and informative images. Ensure your visual materials are not only attractive but also informative, providing users with a clear understanding of your product. Consistency matters when using visual elements. Consider the Fringe Sports Raptor e-bike pre-order page where high-resolution photos and a quality video contribute to visual satisfaction. Mediocre visuals can deter users, so prioritize quality. Engage users with interactive elements. Fringe Sports incorporates buttons and videos effectively. For startups, add interactive elements like buttons or sliders that enhance user experience without complicating the landing page. Remove anything that might confuse users. Preserve detailed information for later sections. Positive feedback and reviews are valuable, but avoid overloading the initial screen. Clearly indicate the option to scroll down or offer a glimpse of what's below to encourage exploration. Put your main button in the spotlight. Consider Bazaar's example, showcasing a streamlined referral program. A single click lets users effortlessly send invitations. Prioritize platforms based on your audience's preferences for effective outreach. Quality over quantity. Focus on the channels most relevant to your audience. Don't use stock photos to pass them off as real. If you don't have a product, show the team that creates it. People believe people. Look at the page of the abstract project that is being announced. I like that they decided to highlight the team. It helps reduce user uncertainty and increase trust. These tips, drawn from real-world examples, can significantly enhance your landing page's effectiveness. Keep them in mind as you design and optimize your pages for maximum impact. Thanks for tuning in.